How to turn on or turn off clean energy charging on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. After that, tap on Charging. And then go down and tap on Clean Energy Charging. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Now from the pop-up, you can turn off into tomorrow, or you can turn off permanently. Tap on the toggle button again to switch it back on. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if you go back into charging, and it said here, in your region, iPhone will try to reduce your carbon footprint by selectively charging when low carbon emission electricity is available. iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can reach full charge before you need to use it. Now, if you want to allow your phone to charge as fast as possible, then maybe you want to turn off clean energy charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.